Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all watch and search history of Amazon Prime Video app on Android or iPhone. So first of all, open the Prime Video app in your phone and it will show the or continue watching and watch again history as you can see. So if you want to delete it, so first we will learn how to delete search history. So here as you can see, if I go to search, it will show the previous research. So to delete this search history, tap on my stuff. Now tap on settings and then simply tap on clear video search history and then tap on yes. That's it. Your all search history will be deleted. But this will not delete your watch history. To hide your watch history, you can hold on your video which you want to hide from continue watch. Tap and hold on the video and then tap on hide this video. This will hide your video from your home page, but this will not delete your video. The question is remain still how you can permanently delete your watch history. To do this, go to your browser, open any browser in your phone and just type Prime Video and tap on this first link, the official link from Amazon, and then tap on sign in. Enter your ID and password and sign in the Amazon account. So your page will be open in desktop mode. If you don't find your page open in desktop mode, then you can tap on three dots and then tap on request desktop site. So now to delete the watch history, tap on your profile picture. Now tap on accounts and settings, then move forward. You will find the option watch history as you can see here. So here it is, all your watch history. You can delete your watch one by one like this. So Amazon not allow us to delete the all history at once. You have to go for this one by one. And that's how you can delete all watch and search history of Amazon Prime Video app. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.